Hey dolls and divas, I'm back. And if you're new here, my name is Taylor. Welcome to my channel. And before I get into this video, just go ahead and hit that little cute like button and subscribe to a doll's channel. Okay, so in this video, I'm just gonna show you a couple of things that I just picked up, some new Louis items that I picked up, and a couple of new fragrances as well. So if you haven't seen my perfume haul video, or it was like my top 25 of 2020, go ahead and check that out. So I've added, of course, a few extra scents to my collection, which obviously I do not need if you go look at that last video, but I'm kind of a little bit of a perfume addict, so yeah. But anywho, I had to pick this up. This was a new fragrance that came out and I was so here for it. So let's get into it. This is by Joe Malone. So I picked up a couple of fragrances from his new collection. Well, one of them is from the new collection that just dropped like a couple of weeks ago. Another one was already out. But like, first of all, look at the packaging. Isn't this packaging like super freaking cute? Like, okay, for fragrance, okay, but I'm here for it. So let's go ahead and get into that. And they gave me a cute little bag with samples. Let's see. She threw in here like 4 samples. Blackberry and Bay. What is this? Wild Bluebell. This one is Leo. And this one is Orange Bitters. And these are colognes, so they're unisex. I was like, wow, really? Okay. So one of these I have definitely been spraying. And I did go pick this up for my mom as well for her birthday. One of these fragrances. So, oh, I just ripped the little bow off. Okay, let me show you the little packaging. And it comes in these cute little boxes, Joe Malone, with the little ribbon. This is how they package them up for you. So this one here is the Peony and Blush Suede. Cute. And it smells so good. So fine. Smells like peony. So cute. It smells like flowers. We all know, if y'all paid attention to that last video, if you haven't watched it yet, go back and watch it. But I love floral scents. I'm a floral girl. Like, I love it. Florals and like sugary, sweet smelling stuff, I'm all for it. So this definitely smells like peonies, like flowers. So good. I absolutely love it. Can't wait to use that one. So the next one that I have is also in a cute little box, cute little wrapping. This one, oh my gosh, this is definitely going to be staple, like forever. This is from Joe Malone's new collection, and this is called the Red Hibiscus. When I tell y'all this is fire, I have it on. I'm gonna just touch it up a bit. So, oh my gosh, it smells so freaking sweet, like candy. I guess what you could imagine what hibiscus would smell like. This definitely smells like it. I was trying to see if there were notes on the bottle, but no, they're not. But I love this. This is what I bought my mom one for her birthday as well, because I know she likes some of the similar scents that I like. So I went and grabbed got one too. Sure did. So that is that for the Jo Malone. I picked it up from Saks, and let me tell you what the price was on that. The hibiscus was $198 and the peony was $142. So my total was $370.26. Oh, you know what? And let me tell you guys what size bottles these are. The hibiscus is a 3.4 ounce bottle. So 3.4 ounce bottle on that for $198. And then the peony is a 3.4 ounce bottle as well for $142. So altogether, not bad. And they are fire. They smell so good. I absolutely love them. So the next one I had to go grab is this Tom Ford Velvet Orchid. It's hard for me to get, like, I literally can say out of the Tom Ford collection that I only like two, like Soleil Blanc and this one. His collection is, those scents are so strong and pungent. It's really hard for me to kind of like get into all of them. But this one I really, really love. This one was a must. So, Ooh, and it's like, I love it. It's really adultish, but not like your great grandma adultish. And it's like, it's sexy. I like that. It has a hint of sweet. I want to say obviously it's Velvet Orchid. So yeah, like I guess it does smell like an orchid actually. Okay, duh. But anyway, so I picked that up from Sephora. And let's see. And this is a 1.7 floral ounce. 1.7 floral ounces for that. And that was $134. So yeah, for that size bottle. So not bad at all. Okay, so the next item up, I've been wanting these for a while, and every time I tried to purchase, they were always sold out in my size, never failed. So even when I put on the alerts, they just were not happening. So this time I finally got the alert from Saks, and of course that particular size, I was going to order a 40 because that's typically the size that I wear in all designer heels. But of course, 5 minutes later, I don't think it was 5 minutes, as soon as I got the alert from Saks that the shoes were back in stock, I tried to go and order them, and the 40 was sold out. So I went with the 39.5. And actually, the 39.5 really, really worked. So these are the Alexander Wang Nova logo elastic PVC heels. Super, super cute. That's the box. And it comes with this big dust bag, and it has the Alexander Wang logo right here on the stitched in on the end. And then voila. Oh, my little thingy. Oh, wow. The sling back heel. These are so freaking cute. Oh my God. So stinking cute. I love the little detail around the edges here. I love the PVC, and it's not like crazy where it hurts your feet or anything like that. I've heard the reviews about this falling off the ankle, the strap. I haven't worn them yet, just walked around in them in the house. So we'll see how that works. But the backs, these are super slippery. So I'll definitely be putting some like slip guards on there. but they're so stinking cute. I'm so glad I finally got these. And I was on a hunt for these in Miami, and all they had were like the kitten heels, and I was like, we not doing that. No, ma'am, we not. So yes, I'm so happy I got these. They are so freaking cute. So let me tell you the price on those. They were $5.95, and with tax, they were $636.65. And again, I got them in a size 39.5, and they fit perfect. Perfect. I picked up these. I so love them. They were the last freaking pair. They took these off the mannequin. So, of course, one of my favorite stores, Louis Vuitton. And ting-a-ling-a-ling. You kind of get an idea what's going on in there. So, voila. Ooh, look at these. Aren't they freaking cute? The LV earrings, the logo earrings. These are so freaking cute. Oh my gosh. So, yeah. Me and Bae are about to go to North Carolina. So if it seems like I'm kind of rushing, I am a little bit. Because I was supposed to get this video out, like, get it recorded like a few days ago. And I'm wearing these tonight. So I want to show them to you guys before I wear them. So, that's that. The cute LV logo earrings. And their own little dust bag. Super cute. And for whatever reason, I have all these backup batteries, and everything is like no charge, like 10, 12%. Like, this is crazy. Next item up. And really, I got this, well, I just wanted it. Like, especially when I wear like joggers, like jogger sets, which I purchased quite a bit of those recently. I just wanted to not always have to carry a purse, you know. I wanted something a little more like dressed down and trendy. So I thought this was like perfect for that. So let's go ahead and get into this huge box. Alrighty. And put the box here. Woo! Yes. So this is the Palm Springs bag, and this is not the mini. This is the, because I was looking at the mini. This one is the Palm Springs, the PM bag in monogram. So this is the PM. So this is a little bigger than the mini. I tried the mini on, and my husband was like, sis, stop playing games. That looked like something for the baby. Put that down. So I got, and even my advisor was like, I don't think that's a good look, sis. He was like, that looked too little. For $200 more, just go and get you the bigger one. So I was like, oh, okay. And I tried them when I was like, I was trying to push it, but it's super cute still. It's a little bit bigger, and the straps are a little thicker. And so it looks super cute on me, and I love it. So when I wear joggers and stuff like that, like, this is what I'm gonna do. I like it. So it's more dressed down, and you can just carry it like this, or, you know, on your back. And it's a good size on me. So yeah, so cute. Yeah, so that is, again, the Palm Springs PM bag. And so the Palm Springs bag was $22.10, so $2,210, and the earrings are called the Hoop Louise earrings. So, and those were $715. So altogether, I spent $2,925 on those two items. Okay, so let's check out the last item. I love these. I actually already have a pair of these in a different colorway. So I have them in the, well, I'll just show them to you first. So freaking stinking cute and comfortable as I don't know what. Okay. So they come with 2 dust bags, say Louis Vuitton on them for each one. You kind of got an idea of what's gonna go in 2 dust bags. And they are these super cute LV runaway sneakers in the monogram, the black and monogram. So freaking cute. Like I said, I already have these, but I have them in the damier print to go with to match my Neverfull bag. So these are so freaking cute, guys. I love them so much. And they're comfortable as I don't know what. I literally can wear these like all day. Like my other ones, like I don't have any problems. I can rock them all day. In these, I wear a size 7, so a 37. And yeah, I figure in their tennis shoes, designer tennis shoes, shoes just run so weird, period. In like heels, I wear like what seems to be a super huge size. But like in tennis shoes, I wear like a smaller size. And I'm normally like anywhere from like an 8 to an 8 to maybe, no, not a 9. I'm like an 8 and an 8.5 in regular tennis shoes, right? So, but in like designer tennis shoes, I wear like a 7.5. So like Gucci tennis shoes, I wear like a 7.5. So, and in these I get a 7. So like I said, I'm typically usually like in tennis shoes 8.5, 9. But so just to kind of give you an idea of like their sizing and how they run, that's what they are. But come on, y'all, you can't tell me these ain't fly. What? These are super freaking cute. I might just put these on tonight. I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep on what I got on and stop playing games. So yeah, so that's that for these. And let me just give you the price on them. Okay, y'all, I'm back. So anywho, apparently I left my receipt in my purse, which was all the way upstairs. So had to run up there, run back. So if I sound like I'm a little out of breath, that's why. But anywho, so for the runaway sneakers, they were $8.75, and then with tax they were $952.88. Yes. So, and I purchased those in the Louis store inside of Saks. So yeah, that is all the items that I just picked up that I wanted to kind of give you guys a little sneak peek at and show you what I snatched up. So I'm gonna go get ready to head out. You know, girl's makeup and it's already done. I'm gonna probably switch this up a little bit. I think I'm gonna I want to put my gold stuff on because I'm always wearing white gold, and I used to be a super yellow gold girl. So I want to kind of get back into switching it up. But anywho, guys, oh, and look, so I'm doing my all natural thing. Sometimes I go and give myself, let my hair breathe from wigs. Plus, babe prefer when I wear my natural hair anyway. So I've been just rocking my, you know, little naturalista, naturalista look here. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, get ready to get on up out of here. I hope you guys like the items that I picked out. Just leave some comments and tell me which one was your fave. If you have them, are they comfortable? Do you like it? Blah, blah, blah. And so on and so on. So anywho, thank you, dolls and divas, for tuning in. I appreciate y'all so much. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, okay, and subscribe, okay, before you go, honey. All right, love you guys.